we've talked about building your team. We've talked about mobilizing your team to take action on social media and elsewhere to help you grow your business. For taking those actions, they've earned points. And now with rewards is how they can actually turn those points into prizes and rewards. And this is an extremely simple but effective version of this feature. So essentially, you upload different rewards and set different point values for them. And this is, by the way, again, this is the admin view. So for ambassadors, it's more visual like this. They can kind of see like a whole reward store with all the images and stuff. We'll go more into this shortly. But for the admins, it's very simple. For each reward, you create the name, upload an image, a description, and how many points you want the reward to cost. If there are any details that you need in order to actually fulfill the reward, you can request those details here, whether it's a PayPal email address or a shipping address or a size for like a piece of merch or clothing. And then you create the reward. And once you create the reward, it goes here in your available rewards section. Again, your ambassadors can see, if they have points, which I don't on this account, but if they have points, they can transact for the different rewards if they have enough points for that reward. They can see all the details here. And then if they do have enough points, they can redeem it. And then I'll show you what this looks like. So when an ambassador redeems a reward, it goes into your pending orders section. So the admin, the account owner or admin, will get a notification that says one of your ambassadors just purchased so-and-so reward. Click here to see the details. And then this table will show you all of the rewards that have been ordered from your ambassadors but not fulfilled yet. So these are pending orders. And you'll be able to click on those to see the details of the reward. And then once you've completed the fulfillment of that, you mark it complete, and then it goes into your completed backlog. And so that's pretty much it. Super simple. You have available rewards. This is your menu of items. And then once orders are placed, it goes into your pending orders and you get a notification. From there, you can mark it complete once it's fulfilled, and then it goes into your completed section. In the next few weeks and months, we have some ideas around how we want to make this automated and make it easier for you so that you don't have to do this manual fulfillment. But this is where it is right now, and it's super simple and it's effective. And so that is how rewards work in CrewFire. In the next video, we'll go over the rankings tab, and I will see you there.